Hello. Do you have problems recruiting new drivers? Bad drivers keep coming and going from the company, wasting your time and money. We are Aifinity, AI automation agency, and we successfully solve this problem as well as many others. We primarily deal with the development of bots and automated processes for the trucking industry. The rate per mile is getting lower and lower, and the only way to stay in the game is to cut costs. Automation enables just that. The difference that AI brought to the market so that now even smaller companies can afford it. The special advantage of AI technology is in businesses like trucking, with a lot of information, emails, and data where there is a high probability of human error. Unlike humans, artificial intelligence does not make mistakes. It will do things without fail every time. Here is an example of a bot we made for our client. They wanted a bot that was only meant to recruit new drivers with over 2 years of experience. After the welcome message, we will put the company's logo. There can also be a short video or audio recording to inform the drivers about the company's goals. After that, we start the process of gathering information. We will not go through all the lines of the process, but if you are interested, at the bottom of the page you will have a link where you can see for yourself how it works. Since the driver does not have a truck, we move on to questions related to experience. If the driver does not have experience, we immediately move on to collecting data in order to remain in the database. After a year or two, the client can contact these drivers again and offer them to join the company. If the driver meets the requirements, we take him through the lead collection process. Does the driver want to be an owner-operator or a company driver? We will choose the owners this time. Here we will add carousel with truck models. Clicking on the link opens a site with specifications for each truck. When the driver decided on the conditions and decided which model of cooperation he wanted, the most important step is coming, which is the possibility for the driver to ask questions to our ChatGPT agent. Instead of the HR team answering you for 20 minutes to the same questions over and over again, we will train ChatGPT with your data from your website, and data that it contains organically, and the driver will be able to get all the information he wants about payment of detention, layover, maintenance, ELD, and everything else. Of course, we will design the steps, text form, and everything else in agreement with you. This is just an example of one client. If there are no more questions, we move on to data collection. The data can be automatically sent to a Google Sheets, Airtable, Slack, Mail, Viber, or any other way you choose. This is the end of the process. The driver receives a message that someone from the HR team will contact him when the safety department checks his data. So we send all the data we took to Google Sheets, and the HR team will take it from there. But there are options to automatically schedule a meeting if the driver passes the safety check, or to take a short test after taking the data to see his driving experience, or something else. It depends on your preferences. In the video you saw an example of a recruiting bot. We also make bots for training drivers, connecting teams, automatically replying to emails, entering data into tables, and much more. Contact us and we will offer you a solution according to your needs. The first hour of consultation is free.